So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this WDM2 locomotive in Substance Painter. So let's continue it. So let's go over here. So we have to texture this pipes. Let's go over here. If you want to create your own material, you can create that as well. So let's go into this. Let's go into this material first, and let's take a texture over here. So what I can do over here is like I can just take a iron damaged over here. That's the texture which I will take right now, assign that on top of it. After that, I can just go over here. Let's take a new material, or you can just take a fill layer, or you have this metal railing as well, so you can give that. I'll just go down, I'll just write over here as metal, and let's take the steel rough or steel rust on top of it. So let's just assign that. Let's go into this. Let's add a black mask. I'll go into the alpha. I can just go into this smart mask, not alpha, and we can just go over here, and even I can give something edge strong, or I can say edge is strong scratched, and drag it on the mask over here. So I can just drag it on the mask. So you can see now I can just select this over here, and we can get multiple properties for this. I'm sorry. So I'll again adjust it, and again I'll put on top of it. Again let's go into the curvature, and now you have this global balance. If you want, you can just give that stuff over here. You have some attributes over here that can be used. Brush pattern. So I'll just keep it like this over here, and if you want to use this material later, I can use that. I'll just go over here, I'll remove the metal, and I can just remove the roughness over here. I'll select this, both the material, right click, and I'll just group this over here. You can just rename this as my new metal over here. I'll just name it as my new metal. Let's go into the smart material over here, and you can just right click on top of it, and you can just right click and say create smart material over here. I can just assign this, and I have created this material in this way. So now you can create your own material. I have created this material. We can use this material wherever is required. So it's like I can use this material. I have the base 1, base 2, body 1, chases. So we have assigned this on the chases as well. So let's go over here. So now this is done, this is done. This is also assigned. I'll just go over here on the other side. So that's assigned as well. So let's go over here. Windows, windows, wheels. Okay, we do have this wheels as well. So what I'll do is I can just go onto this wheels over here. I can select this, right click on it. I can just group this, over here, right click, and we have instance across texture sets. I'll just click on it. I'll go over here, I'll set as none, go down, let's go down, wheels 2, and let's click OK. So as you can see now, the same texture has been instanced on that particular area. So now we have this as well. So you can select this top one. So again go to the top, base 1. So we have this base 1 and base 2. So base 2, let me on and off it. Okay, great. So select this. So let's go to the base 1 over here. Select this both. I'll just group this. Select this, right click, across texture sets, let's click on this, say none, click on base 2 and click OK. So once you click OK, it has going to be assigned on the same area, as you can see now. Now again go down, the cylinders we have given this, chassis to front, front body, grills 1, 2, handles, so let's select this, that's the staircase. So let's select this, let's delete this, go into the smart material. I'll just off this over here. Let's go over here into that. Again I'll just give again a metal, so you can just go into this and let's assign some metal over here. So we have this rusty dark metal. I'll just assign on top of it. So I can assign this rusty dark metal. Okay, we'll keep it as it is. So go over here, we have assigned this. So we'll come to that. So few things are not renamed, you need to rename it. Alright. So springs we have. So for the springs as well, I'll just assign the same material. For the springs, let's click on that. Let's click texture on, give the texture on all the springs over here. The same material looks better now. Staircase, support, tanks. Okay, let's go to the tank section over here. So select the tanks over here. Now what I can do for the tanks is like I can assign the same material which I have assigned over here for that. So let's select this base one. So select this, right click across texture set, none, and go down, click on the tanks. Let's click OK. So once you click OK, it is going to be assigned on the tanks over here as well. So let's just save the file once over here. Let's save it. All right. Now again go over here. Let's go down. So the top pipes over here. So what I can do is whatever materials are assigned over here, for this we can assign the same. So as you can see, this is, so the handrails we can assign that material as well. So go into this, select this, so select this, texture sets, none, and let's go down, top pipes, let's click OK. So we'll assign that same material over here, the main body, go down, the top one, let's again click over here, let's select this, delete this layer, and I have assigned this a new material. I can just put my new material over here. Let's just assign on top of it. So we can assign that material wherever it is required. Yeah, looks better. Now again go over here. So top pipes, wheels. So let's again go to the top, all pipes. Hope every material has been assigned. Base 1, base 2, body 1, chassis 1, chassis 2, couplings, cylinder, front 2, front body, grills, grills 2, handles. Okay, hope we have given to the handles as well. Okay, go down, handrails 1, main body, main base. Okay, we have done this all. So now what I will do is like, let's select the body, go down, front body. So select this front body, grills, okay. Body 3, body 1. So I'll select this, go into body 1. Let's shift and select this whole thing, and let's group this and group the layer. Right click, select this, okay, none, click on body 3 and click OK. So we'll assign that the material on body 3 as well. So if you want, you can go into this Rust course over here and you can slightly try to reduce that. So it's getting a bit heavier. All right. You can increase or decrease the wear level as well. Okay. So we do have this material 49. Select this. It's getting a bit heavier. So just group this. Okay. So assign that. So we'll assign the same material over here as well. So let's see one by one. This is okay. Base 1, base 2, body 1, chases 1, chases 2, couplings 1, cylinder, front 2, front body, grills, main body. So you have to see this because some of them we have not renamed it. So we'll just check that. Okay, we'll assign that. we have uh, combined this, so it's going to be problem. So we can't separate this, it's difficult, or else we need to use another material. Alright, we'll just keep it as it is for now. So the other side, like pipe 2, we have this. So the top pipe, let's go over here. So top pipe, select that, select this group layer, copy this, do that, none, and give that material to pipes 2 over here as well, same way. So you have a glass, you can just go over here and assign some glass over here, glass visor, we have glass film over here, dirty mirror. So you can just go to the windows and give this material on top of it. Okay, looks better. So I'll just assign this on all windows. All right. So let's select this. Wherever we have the windows part, okay, on 43 as well. So let's click on this 43 and let's assign that same. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.